Today, we present to you a ANENG Smart Multimeter. There are 3 colors available for you to choose from. The head is equipped with a high-quality protective cover. Open the battery compartment. Insert 2 AAA batteries. Ensure the positive and negative terminals are not reversed. Default low sensitivity upon power on. Press the S key to toggle high sensitivity. Portable pen clip. Carry with you. Quick access. Built-in flashlight function. The wires are clearly visible in the dark environment. No risk of electric shock. Live and neutral wire identification. The one without a buzzing sound is the neutral wire. The one with the buzzing sound is the live wire. NCV-induced voltage. The flames are closed at hand. The indicator light is on and the beeping sound serves as a reminder. Locate the breakpoint in the circuit. Along the route for inspection, the beeping sound stops. The breakpoint is located here. No operation within 5 minutes after. Powering on, auto shutdown,